In this video, we will show you how to add Google Drive to File Explorer in Windows 11. Okay, for example, if you want to synchronize your Google Drive account into your File Explorer in your Windows, for example here, as default in the File Explorer, there is no Google Drive in here. Okay, how to add the Google Drive to your File Explorer? First, you need to install Google Drive for desktop. Just type Google Drive download in the search engine and select download Google Drive. Okay, after that just click download drive for desktop. Just click this and wait until the downloading process is complete here. After that you can install the setup files, then you can add the Google Drive into your File Explorer. After the Google Drive setup is downloaded successfully, you can just click open file to starting the installation. Okay, in here there is two options. We can add an application shortcut into our desktop. We can just click yes. We can remove later if we didn't need. Okay, add desktop shortcut to Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. Just click install after that. Please wait until this installation is completed. Okay, after that we can configure how the Google Drive looks like on our Windows 11. Okay, installing the runtime require, okay, just click yes. Because Google Drive need Microsoft WebView 2, just install. Google Drive successfully installed, and we can try to click launching Google Drive here. We can close our web browser to minimize the RAM. Okay, you can see Google Drive has been added to our desktop. We need to wait until Google Drive is running because we just click launch. If your Google Drive is not running, you can double click again in this icon of Google Drive. Okay, welcome to Google Drive. Just click start it. You can click sign in. Okay, in here you need to type your email and password. Okay, we will censor this because this is privacy. After that, you can just click sign in here and you sign into Google Drive. To continue, close this window and return to Google Drive. Just close this window. Okay, now your Google Drive will synchronize. Okay, you can see you can sign with Google Drive, back up to Google Photos and see drive files in File Explorer. This is for our tutorial. Okay, our destination here. Welcome to Google Drive. We can tick this. After that, we can just click next. Okay, and this is the sign with Drive, back up to photos. Just got it. Okay, we can just select picture, for example, and click next. This is desktop documents. This folder will sign to Drive and backup to photos. Just click next after that. Okay, open File Explorer to see Drive files. Okay, this is our main destination to create this tutorial. Just click this. Okay, you can see now our Google Drive has been added into our File Explorer here. Okay, if you expand this, you can see. So this is my drive. Okay, it's connected successfully into File Explorer. Okay, just click next after that. Then we can just open Drive. Okay, this is our Google Drive interface, and you can also add it to File Explorer like this. When you open the File Explorer, you will see there is Google Drive. You can synchronize your drive with your computers here. Okay, and that's all. Tutorial how to add Google Drive to File Explorer in Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.